Na me dey call Omo Agemo Otunbale, Akapo Omo Agemo. Dat story wey dey ask, me sef wan ask na one question. Wetin I dey ask dis question for? Shey no be the history of dem take create dis place na you dey ask, abi na another thing you wan know? Na me be Akapo Omo Agemo. Na dat Agemo na im create dis place. I understand. Dis place dey call am Agon Egun. Where we dey now? The first Baale, e don die. Even the second one sef don die. And dem come give am dis person now. Na me be im right hand man. Anything wey dey our mind na for us to talk am now. First, wetin government dey do for other people, dem never do am for us here. Oluode, shey I dey lie? Dat thing wey government dey do for other people wey dey make their belle sweet, make government also carry dat thing come do for us. Dat one na one. At least make dem come help us develop dis place, make our belle sweet. I no fit talk pass like dat. I bin dey tell na when we reach dat first gutter. Dat first gutter na the only gutter wey government do for us, because I dey there. Na dat time we dey do better life. Na the period of Alhaji Raji Rasaq. Na dat time dem do dat gutter. But now, no gutter again. Nowhere wey we fit say water wan pass go. All of us wey dey here, if rain dey fall, water dey enter our house well well. If government fit rescue us, help us, make dem do gutter for us, so that at least if water dey fall, at least water go dey see where e go dey pass. Dat one, at least once dem do dat one go comot from our matter. E no pass like dat. Wait, when una reach here, shebi una dey speak Yoruba? After some time, una go change to English. If una build house for us, at least school for us, at least our children go dey learn A, B. Na me dey ask dem question, leave me. If dem build house for us here nko, at least our children go dey learn 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Na dat one we dey ask for. Make e no be say my mouth too sweet. Wetin I wan tell una be say, na true say we don dey as part of government. Na we sef help organize election for dis side. But wetin we know be say, if government wan help us, make dem help us. And if dem wan leave us, make dem leave us. But then we no fit tell dem make dem leave us. Na their back we go always dey. Dem suppose help us. Shey una understand? Since we don dey help government, since we don dey their back, dem sef suppose know say na dis thing we sef suppose get. No be until we come go dey tell dem say see o una never do this one for us.
According to him, nothing like enjoyment for inside the community of Agoegun, Ilaje Bariga for inside Obodo, Lagos. Na long time ago, Oyibo man talk say children are the leaders of tomorrow. And for person to be better and strong and intelligent leader of tomorrow, education must dey grand. That is to say, the person must go better school, come get better certificate. Because them also talk say education na power. But for the people of Agoegun, Ilaje Bariga, the story dey very different. Unto say hospital, better toilet and bathroom abi na even school no dey there at all. But make e no be like say man pikin no go school at all. Come make the people for this community come arrange 2 Otakara schools. One na for the Egun Badagry children wey dem dey learn English, and also another one na for the Beninese pikin dem wey come from Cotonou wey dem dey speak French. For this school na 50 naira per day, Monday to Friday.
Mosquito no dey bite for here. Mosquito no dey bite at all. For instance, if we comot, if I go work, na every Saturday I dey come house, and I get wife and pikin for house.
Danny, was I score one goal? Bad guy. 1-0 loco. Sharp. No dolly. Okay.
Na anytime we fit go anywhere wey we wan go. As you dey see am, water dey, everything dey. The one wey we fit drink sef dey. Nothing wey be say wey we need so desperately like that. I go carry my bag, e go get one road wey I dey pass, I go enter Okada. Once I don go that side, I go enter Okada, enter motor, dey go my work. E never tey wey I build this house.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo fẹ́ pẹ̀lú pé ṣé ó máa ra lẹ̀ ìgbà ni àbí tí máa ní pápó tèmi báyìí sí ṣé mo lè sáré wá ní pé àwọn kò fẹ́ dá ilé tèmi àbí máa lọ ra omi àbí máa lọ báwo ni wọ́n ti ń lọ.
We get baale, so anything wey we wan do, we go first go meet baale. Na baale him be, and na him right to say make we do am abi make we no do am. No be say we dey buy land, say we wan take money buy land or build anything.
So which means pé almost everybody tó wà ní àdúgbò ẹ mọ̀ra yín ṣá.
We know ourselves now.
Kò lè sáré wá báyìí kí n kò máa gbé ibà ẹ mọ̀ra kò sí àlejò láàrin yín.
No visitor among us. You know, wetin you go need to understand be say any neighborhood wey dey wey be say nothing dey make you fear say they don come o, make we run o, make we go hide o. So that kind place na somewhere wey person fit stay peacefully. Nothing like say dem dey stay for here. Even as you dey see me now, I want to dey go work now. And that same place where I dey go now, if you make mistake drop something, if before you know wetin dey happen, they don carry am. But for here wey we dey live, if you like put something anywhere, na as you leave am there, na so you go also meet am. Wetin wan cause that one? No be light they see so. Na light they see so now.
Naija life.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.